Buying up 55,000 bitcoins at $97,000 apiece, Michael Saylor says bring it on. Hello there, airdrop enthusiasts. Welcome again to the airdrops.com channel. I'm Stan, and this Tuesday I've hand-picked and condensed for you the top news in the crypto space. On November 26, 2024, we've got the following. MicroStrategy's largest Bitcoin purchase worth $5.4 billion, new XRP ETF on the horizon, and the presidential candidate that you would be a rock for. I mean that you would support her, as I would, 100%. All of this in today's news briefing. Let's dive into it. Would it surprise you if I told you that MicroStrategy's back at it, buying Bitcoin again? This time, they've spent a staggering $5.4 billion to acquire 55,500 Bitcoins at an average price of just under $98,000, their largest purchase yet. Their total holdings now stand at 386,700 Bitcoins, bought for almost $22 billion since 2020. The move follows a $3 billion debt offering and proceeds from selling nearly 5.6 million shares, with $12.8 billion still earmarked for future Bitcoin buys. Critics like Peter Schiff warn of the risks of such aggressive buying, but does Michael Saylor care? With Bitcoin trading near 93,000, MicroStrategy's holdings are now worth $37.5 billion, delivering a $15.5 billion profit. Love it or hate it, MicroStrategy's doubling down on its bullish Bitcoin bet, dividing investors on its bold strategy. Big news for XRP fans. The prominent asset manager WisdomTree, with over $100 billion in assets, has reportedly filed for an XRP exchange-traded fund in Delaware. Confirmed by Fox News reporter Eleanor Terrett, the filing adds to a growing wave of interest in XRP investment products. Earlier this month, 21 Shares also submitted an SEC filing for its Court XRP Trust, aiming to offer a passive vehicle tracking XRP's price. Another major player in digital asset funds in the phase of Bitwise Asset Management filed for an XRP ETF just last month. The race to launch XRP-focused ETFs reflects increasing institutional demand for the payments-oriented cryptocurrency. The coin's price now sits around $1.40, but I read some analysis recently that claim XRP could hit a bold $20 target if legal hurdles with the SEC are resolved with the new US administration coming in. In our Crypto Around the World segment, we turn our attention to Suriname in South America, where a pro-Bitcoin presidential candidate emerges on the horizon. Maya Parbhoe has an ambitious plan to adopt a Bitcoin standard to tackle corruption and revitalize the nation's economy. Inspired by El Salvador's Bitcoin journey, she envisions making Bitcoin legal tender, dismantling the central bank, privatizing public services, and issuing Bitcoin bonds. Parbhoe's crusade stems from personal tragedy, her father's murder linked to systemic corruption. If implemented, her plan could create unprecedented transparency in Suriname's governance and financial systems, but it faces resistance from entrenched interests. Whether Suriname can follow El Salvador's footsteps or chart its own unique Bitcoin revolution will depend on public support and overcoming deep-seated corruption. But for now, I'm Team Parbhoe. Thanks for tuning in, airdrop enthusiasts. I'm Stan, and this has been airdrops.com, your go-to place for the latest in crypto, and who knows, the next big boost for your portfolio. Join me again tomorrow. See ya!